Welcome to Valentine Imperial Riviera Maya. Today I'm showing you the room options to choose from and telling you important information that will help you decide where to stay. The first room option is called Deluxe Junior Suite. These suites are in buildings 3, 4, and 5. The Deluxe Junior Suites are 516 square feet and are fit for 2 people. There are options to choose between bed sizes, 2 double beds or a king bed. Your bed choice is not guaranteed. The rooms with the king beds are located on the 3rd floor and the double beds are on the other levels. All rooms do have a balcony or a terrace as well as a Bluetooth speaker system. There are 3 accessible rooms that contain a roll-in shower and 2 double beds. All rooms have a 1-person jetted tub with a grab bar. The next category is called the Silver Junior Suite. This room is much like the previous category but is fit for a more romantic vacation. These suites are in buildings 1 and 2, making them closer to the restaurants and the lobby. These have king-size beds only and have an open concept bathroom with a 2-person jetted tub and a rain shower. There are 2 wheelchair accessible rooms with a roll-in shower. Moving on to the Golden Suites. These suites are in buildings 6, 7, and 8 and are located right by the Golden Pool. This pool is gorgeous and built like a lazy river, but the water doesn't move like a lazy river would. There are bars along the pool and lots of lounge areas. Now, the rooms in the golden categories are very similar but have a few differences. All rooms are 656 square feet with an open concept and they have a 2-person jetted tub with a balcony or terrace. The Golden Junior Suite rooms are on the 2nd floor and have a king-size bed or 2 double beds. These beds are not guaranteed in the Golden Junior Suites. There are no wheelchair accessible rooms in this category. The Golden Superior Junior Suites have only king-size beds and are located on the 3rd floor. And the last option in this category is the Golden Swim Up Junior Suites. These are located on the ground level and the terrace is right on the pool, making it a swim-up concept. This room option does have 3 wheelchair accessible rooms with a fully closed-in bathroom and a roll-in shower. Moving on to the Emerald Junior Suites. These suites are located in buildings 9 through 14. These buildings are right by the beach and have varying views of the ocean, some with a partial and some with the oceanfront view. They are all 624 square feet and have a beautiful Venetian-style jetted tub with a panoramic view. There's also a rain shower. The big thing to note is that for these rooms, there is no elevator in all of the buildings. One really cool feature for these rooms is that there is a mobile lock and unlock system that allows you to open your door without the need of a physical card. Next up is the brand new Onyx Privé Suite. This suite includes the Privé package, but you can find more information about that on the website. What sets this room apart is that it has a massive outdoor balcony with lounge chairs and hammocks. There is a whirlpool tub on the balcony and also in the bathroom. The room comes with a king-size bed, dining table, and daily gourmet amenities and wine bar. There's also a large sofa that overlooks the windows to the balcony. The room is 2,152 square feet in total, and that includes the balcony space. Last but not least, the Diamond Privé Suite. This category of rooms is located in Building 8 on the 3rd floor corners. This room also includes the Privé package. This room is very much like the last category but has a smaller balcony as well as a 2nd private guest bathroom. Much like the Onyx, there are 2 jetted tubs as well as a rain shower. The room also includes a dining table, gourmet amenities, and wine bar. The room is stocked with luxury bathroom amenities like relaxing salts and aromatherapy. Well, that's all of the room options at the Valentine. If you're interested in a resort tour, check out this video right here. And if you need a travel agent to help you book your travels, check out my website listed below.